we'll guide you through how to fix Dropbox files not syncing. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Dropbox app on your computer, and make sure you're signed in with the correct account. Go to the Dropbox icon in your system tray or menu bar, click on it, and check if there are any error messages or notifications about files not syncing. If everything seems fine there, the next step is to ensure your internet connection is stable, as this can often be a culprit. You can test this by opening a web browser and visiting a website to see if it loads correctly. If your connection is good, go back to Dropbox. Click on the gear icon for settings and then select Preferences. In the Sync tab, verify that the files or folders you want to sync are not excluded under Selective Sync. If they are, simply uncheck them to include them in the sync process. Another step is to check that there's enough space in your Dropbox account and on your local drive. You can do this by logging into your Dropbox account via the website and looking at your account settings for space details. Additionally, ensure your operating system's firewall or antivirus software isn't blocking Dropbox. You might need to add Dropbox as an allowed program. If you've tried all these steps and files are still not syncing, restarting the Dropbox app can help. Right-click the Dropbox icon in the system tray or menu bar, select Quit Dropbox, then reopen the app. This can sometimes refresh the connection and fix the issue. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.